Hello everybody, welcome. First things first, 500 subscribers absolutely blew my mind. An old fella like me in my kitchen and you're choosing to watch, it's absolutely blew me away, honest to God. Thank you to every single one of you, all of you. Thank you very, very much. Now, today I've been to, where did I go? B&M, and I saw this. Now this is new, apparently. I've never seen it before. Southern style gravy from Mayflower. The ones that do the curry sauce, which is absolutely delicious. So it stays new. I've never ever seen it in our B&M, so I don't know whether it's been any other B&M before. But it only cost £1. But I thought, I mean, the curry sauce is really nice, isn't it? So I thought, let's try this. So let's open it up and have a look. I mean, southern style, what's that? American, innit, I suppose. That's it there. Tell you what, let's take it over to the counter and we can open it up and have a smell and that. Well, let's give this an open up then. I mean, it's a lot different colour, isn't it? I mean, the other one's obviously curry. This one is more like a southern fried chicken, I suppose, or something, isn't it? More like a batter white. Ooh, let me have a smell. Oh, that smells lovely. Honestly, if you could smell that, that smells really nice. Oh, do you know this? It reminds me of Sunday dinner. Like sage, like what do you call it? Stuffing. That's what it smells like. To me, anyway. It's gone everywhere now, look. So how do we cook it then? Let's have a look. 50 grams, 270 ml of cold water in a saucepan. Bring to the boil, simmer for 2 minutes. Right, so that's quite simple. It's just like the curry. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to do a few chips. We need some chips, don't we? To test it. So let's get a few chips in the air fryer. Bit of oil. Just a drop, just to coat it. Salt and pepper. I'll mix that together, and what I'll do is when they're nearly done, we'll do that because it says it only takes a couple of minutes, so there's no point doing it yet and letting it go cold, so we'll do it towards the end. So I'll put them in the air fryer. You don't need me to see you do that. Don't need to see me do that, do you? And then I'll bring you back when I start mixing the southern fried gravy. Right, the chips have got about 3 or 4 minutes to go. So I've got myself 270 ml of water, like it says. And I've got myself 50 gram of the mix, the southern gravy mix. I'm going to pour that in. I'm going to turn my oven on, well my oven, and I'm going to mix. Keep mixing until it boils and simmer for 2 minutes. So I'll keep mixing. When it thickens up, I'll bring you back. Don't want to. You can hear the air fryer in the back, so it'll make a bit of a noise, I suppose. Right, that's done now. I've had it simmering for a couple of minutes. So it's all done and it smells gorgeous, to be fair. It's quite runny though. I mean, I like my gravy thick anyway, but I suppose you just add more mix to it if you want a bit thicker. But I want to do it as the pack says, so. But it smells gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dish it up, move that off there. I'll dish it up, then we'll have a test. Chips are done. Lovely. Well, I've let it sit for 1 minute and it seems to have gone a bit thicker now, so I'm going to pour it in a bowl. I mean, it looks delicious. It really does. It looks really, really nice. So there it is. I mean, you can't really see a lot, can you? Because it's only gravy in it. It's all in the taste, isn't it, with that? But it smells gorgeous. So it was a pound from B&M. So let's give it a taste test. Right. So then, I've got to be careful I don't drop this because I know me. I'm clumsy as hell. I'm going to have to put that down because I'm going to drop it on the way. I'm just going to go all over the floor. Let me just get the curry, the thing first. Let's get a dip. Well, I've noticed it's been there like 1 minute. You probably can't see it there. It's been sitting for like 1 minute and it has got a skin on it already. And it smells delicious. Honest to God. Smells delicious. And it tastes, that's boiling up. It tastes delicious as well. But yeah, it's got that nice sage taste to it. Reminds me a lot like it does, like stuffing. It's gorgeous. That is bang on, that is absolutely bang on. I'll tell you what, that Mayflower, they make some good sauces. I'd never tried it before until the other week. Wow. Wow. As I say, I'd never tried it till I've seen it in B&M with that curry sauce mix, and I made a vegetable curry. But that's it. It's gorgeous. £1. I mean, how many, does it say how many it serves? I mean, I bet it serves loads. I mean, I used 50 gram. And you got all that left. Loads of it. You got a massive bowl of curry there already. Well, not curry, gravy there already. So it lasts a while. I don't know if it says how many it serves. Let me have a look. Not that I can see, no. Per 100 gram, it's 65 calories. So, and I only use 50 gram. So what's that, 32 and a half calories? So that's not bad. It tastes absolutely, my glasses keep falling. It tastes good, honestly. You need to try it, you need to try it. I'll definitely buy that again, 100%, absolutely. Wow. Well done, Mayflower again. Well done. And it's suitable for vegetarians. I don't know if there's any vegetarians watching. But that's gorgeous. It's got pictures on the back there, look. I mean, you can even have it on a Sunday dinner. It says, you know, southern fried chicken on your veggies, over your chips. Wow. Well done. Anyway, I am the old food guy. Absolutely thank you to every single one of you who subscribed to me. I really, really do appreciate it. Mayflower, southern style gravy. You can get some £1 B&M. Gorgeous. You won't be disappointed. Do you like content like this? Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. More. Maybe more. Gravy and chips at 11 o'clock in the morning. Superb. Oh, I could eat this all day. I could eat this all day, honestly. Wow. Bye bye.